Good day. So today we're going to solve these two equations. The first one is 5 times 3x minus 6 is equal to 7 times 2x plus 1. And the second is 3 times 3x minus 7 is equal to 3x minus 33. So we're going to start with the first one. The first one is 5 times 3x minus 6 is equal to 7 times 2x plus 1. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to distribute the 5 into the bracket. So we're going to say 5 times 3x is 15x. And we're going to say 5 times minus 6 is minus 30, and then we're going to put the equal sign again, and we're going to say 7. We're going to take the 7 into the brackets, and we're going to say 7 times 2x is 14x, and then 7 times 1 is just 7. So now our goal is to get x is equal to some number. So you must remember you can do any operation on the left side as long as you also do it on the right side. And you can do any operation on the right side as long as you also do it on the left side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 14x on the right side to get 0 on the right, or just 7 on the right. So, but I also have to do it on the left side. So I have to subtract 14x on the left side too. So what I'm left with is minus 14x plus 15x, which is just x. And I have the minus 30 is equal to minus 14x minus 14, or plus 14x minus 14x is just 0. And I'm left with 7. So now I have to get x on its own. So now to do that, I have to add 30 on the left side. But to balance out the equation, I also have to add 30 on the right side. So what I'm left with is then x is equal to 30 plus 7, which is just x is equal to 37. And that's our final answer. So to check our answer, we can test it. We can say the left hand side is equal to 5 times 3, and then x is equal to 37, and then minus 6. So we're left with 5 times 111 minus 6. And then we are left with 5 times 105. And then our left hand side is 525. So now we check the right side. So now we do the same for the right hand side. So the right hand side is equal to 7 times 2x plus 1. Now x is equal to 37, so it's 7, then it's 2 times 37 plus 1. So we have 7, which is, okay, so it's 60 plus 14, which is 74 plus 1, and then we are left with 7 times 75, which is also equal to 525. Okay, so our final answer is x is equal to 37. So we're going to start with the second equation again. So the second equation is 3 times 3x minus 7 is equal to 3x minus 33. So we're going to do the same here. We're going to take the 3 inside the brackets. So 3 times 3x is 9x. And 3 times minus 7 is minus 21 is equal to 3x minus 33. So our goal again is to get x is equal to some number. So we can do any operation on the left, but we also have to do it on the right. Or we can do any operation on the right, but then we also have to do it on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 3x on the right side to get rid of that 3x, but then I also have to do it on the left side, so minus 3x. So it is 9x minus 3x, which is 6x minus 21 is equal to, now 3x minus 3x is just 0, and then we're left with minus 33. Sorry for that. So what we can do now is we can take the 21 to get the x on one side, so we can add 21 on the left side. So, but because we add it on the left side, we also have to add it on the right side. So what we're left with is 6x is equal to, because minus 21 plus 21 is 0, so what we're left with is 6x is equal to, and then minus 33 plus 21 is equal to 12. Okay, let me just quickly turn the page. Minus 33, sorry, is minus 12. Let's quickly turn the page. Okay, so what we're left with is 6x is equal to minus 12. Okay, so now we have to get x alone. So what we can do is we can divide by 6 on this side, because 6 divided by 6 is 1, and then we're left with x is equal to. But because we divided by 6 on the left, we also have to divide by 6 on the right. So we say minus 12 divided by 6 is equal to minus 2. And that's our final answer. So to test it, we just go back to our original question, which is 3 times 3x minus 7. So we test that. So we say the left hand side is equal to 3 times 3x minus 7. So we say 3, and then we just substitute 2 minus 2 in, because that's the value of x, minus 7. So we say 3, and then 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, minus 7, and we're left with 3, then minus 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 13, and minus 13 times 3 is equal to minus 39. Now we have to test the right hand side. So the right hand side was 3x minus 33. So we begin with 3x minus 33. Now x was equal to minus 2, so we have 3 times minus 2 minus 33. So we have minus 6, because 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, minus 33, and then our final answer is minus 39. So we know our answer of x is equal to 2 minus 2 is correct. Thank you guys for watching, and have an awesome day.